Hello, today we will guide you through how to find airdrops on CoinMarketCap. To get started, open your web browser and go to the CoinMarketCap website. This is a popular platform for tracking cryptocurrency prices, market data, and related tools, and it also includes a section specifically for airdrops. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to get familiar with the top navigation area, since that's where you'll find the menu option you need next. From the main page, click on More to locate additional products and tools. This menu groups together features that may not be immediately visible in the main navigation bar. If you don't see everything right away, that's completely normal, since some options are listed further down in the expanded menu. Next, scroll through the menu until you find airdrops. Moving slowly here can help, especially if the list includes several product categories. The airdrops option is the one you'll use to view token giveaway campaigns that are either currently active, scheduled for later, or already completed. Once you see it, click on Airdrops. This will take you to CoinMarketCap's dedicated airdrop page. On this page, you'll be able to explore the available listings in one place, which makes it much easier to monitor opportunities without searching through the site manually. After the page opens, you can view current airdrops and upcoming airdrops. Current airdrops typically show campaigns that are active now, while upcoming airdrops can help you prepare in advance for launches that haven't started yet. This is useful if you want to stay organized and keep track of what's available now versus what may be available soon. If you scroll further down the page, you can also see previous airdrops. This section is helpful if you want to review past campaigns and get a better sense of the kinds of projects that have offered airdrops before. Looking at previous listings can also help you understand how these campaigns are presented on CoinMarketCap and what details are typically included. And that's it. By going to CoinMarketCap, opening the More menu, finding the airdrop section, and reviewing the current, upcoming, and previous listings, you can quickly find airdrop information in one convenient place. If you're checking regularly, it can be helpful to revisit the page from time to time so you can stay updated on newly listed opportunities.